Wednesday, September 7th. Market analysis, Stan Ehrlich. Good morning, 9 o'clock California time. Real-time charts, of course. And I'll be using some of Ninja Trader's charts, which I am in the process of shifting over to. This 1 minute spider has made new highs for a significant amount of time and are holding those highs in the last 10-15 minutes or so. But this is the level at which they've just overcome. Over here on the right, the end of Friday, all day yesterday, and during that time it was only yesterday morning early that we made the lowest low, and since then we've made higher highs, including a few minutes ago higher than a day and a half, let's say, quarter, full, and a kind of a quarter day today. So is this the start of that rally that I've been expecting? That's quite possible. I'm not going to use the word probable yet. We didn't have any lower lows this morning, which was around unchanged, a little higher, lower, nothing significant. And we just started to work our way higher. So we have to hold these levels. I'd like to see more bullish progress. I'd like to see it close a couple of points higher than this or more. Stronger the better. And I am looking for something around 405. Couple of points higher or lower, but around 405, which is 3.5 points higher than last Friday's high, which was a very big disappointment because of the crash last Friday, coming very close to making a new low to the move and closing right near its lows. Since then, yesterday new lows, but the close wasn't too bad. It was above the previous couple days. And we're getting a little bit of a follow through here. We're higher than yesterday and staying there. So let's see higher highs very soon, very quickly, a few minutes, hours, and hold it and go up some more. Then I'll be a little bit more optimistic about this being a short-term low for a rally that's going to last a few days, not much more. So we'll eat up a little bit of September. Remember, I'm looking for the traditional October lows, seasonal October lows. Huge percentage probability that it will work again. In approximately the last 30 years, we've seen 80 to 90 some percent of the time it's profitable. It may be a week before October or a week after occasionally, but still in the month of October, that's when we're really looking for a capitulation of the break, which is going to be, I think, all the way down to the lows that we saw a couple of months ago. And daily data, well, that would be June 17th. I think the October lows are going to be in that ballpark, maybe around the support area, 371.70-ish. I am longer term bearish. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I've been talking about that for 6 months or more. In fact, we did get some sell signals on the high day of some of the major end of the QQQ, for example, back in November, the top day. So I'm going to switch over to TradeStation for the moment. Same charts, basically same information. I have a little bit more drawing in here, but should be there. Just a moment. Okay, sorry about that. The bull trend line held yesterday too. Sorry about this little delay, but hey, so far so good. I'm a little late on the low. If the low was yesterday, and I think there's a good chance of that at this point because you're making higher highs and you're staying there for the moment. And I want to see it. I want to see it close at least 80, 90, 395.50. That would be great if it can do that. And you're at 4 already. 1.5, 2 points, great. Remember the futures markets. I have now a little bit of data current. We see our trade on hogs was short with the Ehrlich reversal, coming down from its stronger price range for the whole day above yesterday. But if it closes really badly, like lower on the day some, or of course lower the better, then our position is still short. We're not stopped out, and we'll probably drop off sharply for a day or two after that. If it holds, we could have seen yesterday be very important. I'm not sure yet. We did get a sell signal smacking the high in platinum. We've now gotten a buy signal today. It's in progress. It needs to close higher than yesterday's close. We have a buy signal officially in platinum. So if I was short from the previous sell signal, up around 940.50, that is. Actually, 944 is going to be the first short, ER1. And the other short's going to be at 939.75-ish. 939.92 to be exact. Almost a high of the day the next day, by the way. ER3. Good. Worked out great. I would definitely be manually lowering my stop and or getting out of the trade point blank, and or not only getting out of my short but considering the long side of the market. Now, because it's green, we have gotten higher than yesterday's high, and after it got lower than the previous day's low, and it's within the certain number of days of the oversold conditions. So it was oversold just recently. It's got a bullish engulfing. Green, ER buy signal. Immediate risk just below today's low. Stop. So you know how much you're risking. If you don't like that, change it. Your decision. But in the next 3 days, if this closes higher today, I'm looking for a move back into somewhere around the middle of the range of today, whatever the range ends up being. It's not closed yet. And that would be my ER3 buying area. ER1 is already long, just a little bit above yesterday's high, so it probably has a very small loss. Almost assuredly, very small loss. Next chart. Possible buy signal oversold, got a lower low, but it's not above yesterday's high. You could have one today in the YM. How about that? So, keep an eye on that. Next, that's the futures contract. So, our cycle high in the coffee has been working damn well since it got overbought right in the time frame we wanted. Didn't get an official sell signal, but if you'd gotten short, that's a big if, obviously you'd be smiling. This is a new low, and we're currently trading below previous lows completely. Not oversold yet, by the way. It's got more elbow to the downside, elbow room to the downside. I'm saying probably a little above 200, 205 to 10. Next. And I'm going to leave you there with this. Also, I want to point out that Ninja Trader is available free of charge to use, except with a real live account. But you can backtest, you can hypothetical trade, you can do everything with the free version. Give it a shot, give it a try. Also, the Foundation for the Study of Cycles has tons of information on cycles, cyclicality of all different types, not just about the market, definitely about stock market, etc. overall, but many other topics. Thank you very much. Stan Ehrlich. Have a good day.